Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 2 Whole Numbers, lesson number 5. So our first vocabulary word for today is compare. That means to determine whether numbers are equal to, greater than, or less than each other. So we worked with that in Module 1. The next word is order. That means to list 3 or more numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least. So if you're going to order numbers, they might give you a list of numbers and then you have to put them in order from least to greatest. So that means the lowest to the highest, or from greatest to least, which would be the other way, like this, greatest to least. This is inequality symbols. These are symbols used to compare numbers, which is like greater than or less than. They're inequality, so unequal, they're not equal to. So let's look at this. We're going to write out our numbers and then we are going to also put them on the number line. So if we have 23, that means that's 2 10s and 3 1s. And then 25 is 2 10s and 5 1s. So now what it says here is it says 2 is to the, so we look here on the number line, 2 is to the left of 4. So 2 is less than 4, which means we would write it like this. 2 is less than 4. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number, but we say this as less than. So then if we look at number 4, though, it says 9. So 9 is right here. That's to the right of 4. So 9 is greater than 4. So 9 is greater than 4. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number. If we look here, we have 23 is blank, then 38. So 23 is right here, and then 38 is right here. But we can see that 23 on the number line is less than 38. And then it's asking us for 47 is how much more than 38, or is it greater than or less than? Well, it's to the right of, oops, I wasn't supposed to write that way. 47 is greater than 38. So we would write it like that, greater than. So now here's where it says least to greatest. So if we have this list of numbers, we have to find the lowest one. Well, we can see this one, 15, is the only one with a 1 in the tens. And then we have 23. That's the next one because the 2 is in the tens place. And then we have 32 and 38. Well, remember, when we have the same number in the tens place, the 3, then we have to look at the ones. So we have 2 and 8. Well, 32, the 2 is less than 8, so 38 would go like that. But then if we were writing greatest to least, we would flip it around. So then we would do 38, 32, 23, 15. This says, George bought a red shirt for $27, a green shirt for $34, and a blue shirt for $31. Compare the prices using the number line. So if we number these on the number line, okay, we have $27. So here's 25, 26, 27. He also had one for 34, so that's one less than 35 right here. And then he had another one for 31, so one more than 30. So the blank shirt was the greatest. So the one for $34, we can easily see that was green. So we would write the green shirt was the greatest. And then we can see that the 27 right here is the least amount. So that was the red shirt. So we would write red right here. Okay, so now we're going to try this together. So number 8 says 26 is blank, then 7. So here's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So put a point right here and label it on your number line. And then 7 is down here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is right there. Well, we can very easily see that it is greater. 26 is much further up the line. So 26 is greater than 7. Now I'll use a different color for the next two. So we have 19, so that's 1 less than 20. So 19 and then 24. So 21, 22, 23, 24. They're a little closer on the number line, but we can see that 19 is less. So because it is to the left of 24 in the number line, so it's less than 24. So now we have to do number 10, least to greatest. So the lowest one is 7. Then we have 19. And then the 24 and 26 both have a 2 in the tens, but we can see up here on the number line, it goes 24, then 26. So we can write 24, 26. And then we just go down the other way on the number line. So we start with the greatest is 26, then 24, then 19, then 7. So this says use a number line to compare and order whole numbers. So using symbols, here's our number line. It says the number on the left is less than the number on the right. The number on the right, the 17, is greater than the number on the left. So then we'd read this. 9 is less than 17. 17 is greater than 9. This part says to order 3 or more numbers from least to greatest. Write the numbers as they appear on a number line from left to right. So just write them on the number line. So if they give you 6, 12, 17, there they are. And then we can see very easily, least is 6, then 12, then 17. So to order 3 or more numbers from greatest to least, write the numbers as they appear on the number line from right to left. So then we start here up here with the greatest. So 17, then 12, then 6. So that is greatest to least. 17, 12, 6. All right, you're going to try some of these on your own. Good luck.